you often say is not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep.
Absolutely. Education is the biggest factor because, like we said earlier, people don't even know what's out there. Like, people don't know what cost segregation is. And there are a lot of other things out there that people don't know. So listening to podcasts like this, reading, going on forums and things like that, there's so much information out there for free. But the one thing that I would say is when it comes to taxes, people kind of rely on their accountants to do their taxes and to, make them aware of different deductions or things that are out there, where unfortunately the majority of accountants that I have come across are not tax strategists, meaning they're not going to be proactive to help you save money. They're going to fill out the forms and make sure that you are, compliant and paying the amount of taxes, but they're not going to go out of their way and tell you about strategies like cost seg, like necessarily 1031 exchanges and other types of deductions, making sure that you're keeping track, bookkeeping of all of your business expenses. You can write off so much. If you have a real estate, if you own properties, there's so much that you can write off legally. And so you just want to make sure that you're not overpaying taxes due to your accountant's either laziness or ignorance or a combination of both, because you have to be proactive. So the biggest advice I can have is be proactive with your own money and your own wealth building, and don't rely on other people like financial advisors. And don't rely on them. Like, figure it out, learn on your own, and figure out what's best for you. Because you really, a lot of these people have sometimes their own interests first and your interests second. And so be careful.